Before we begin, this review is strictly for educational purpose only. The techniques demonstrated here should only be used for needle penetration testing, cybersecurity research, and personal security awareness. Unauthorized password cracking is illegal and unethical. Use this knowledge responsibly. Now let's dive into today's tutorial on using John the Ripper. A powerful tool for ethical password testing. In this video, we will cover everything from extracting the hash, identifying hash types, using or creating word lists, and finally cracking the password in a real-world demonstration. This video is break down into 4 parts. Number 1, extracting hashes. Number 2, identifying the hash algorithm. Number 3, using or creating word list. Number 4, cracking password with John the Ripper. Let's dive into part 1. The first and the most crucial step in password cracking is extracting the hash. But before that, let's understand what a hash is. Hash is a fixed length, unique representation of data created using a hash function. It is commonly used to store passwords securely. The key properties of a hash is a one-layer function. You can create a hash from data, but you cannot reverse it back to the original data. It is deterministic. The same input always produces the same hash. It is a fixed length. No matter the input size, the hash length remains constant. And hash is also always a unique. Even a small change in input drastically changes the hash. Example of SHA-256 hash of password letter. To John the Ripper, we will extract the hash from the protected file. Part 2, identifying the hash algorithm. Once we have the hash, the next step is identifying the hash algorithm. Different hashing algorithms require different cracking methods, so this step is essential. The tools used for hash identification. The first one is using hash header tool that is pre-installed in Kali Linux. The method 2, using hash identifier. The tool is already available in Kali Linux. The third one method is all-LAN hash identification. Websites like this are used for all-LAN identification of hash. These tools enhance the hash structure when compared with lawfulness. Now let's dive into the part 3, using word list. Now that we have identified the hash type, let's talk about word list and their role in password cracking. What's a word list? A word list is a collection of potential passwords that John the Ripper uses to attempt cracking. Instead of trying every possible combination, that is brute force attack, John the Ripper can use predefined word lists to perform additional attacks, making the process much faster and more efficient. Why word lists are important? Pre-built word lists like rock.txt contain millions of common passwords. Custom word list improved success rates in targeted attacks. Word lists significantly speed up cracking compared to brute force. Part 4, cracking password with John the Ripper. Now let's dive into the most important step, that is practical demo of password cracking using John the Ripper. Remember, what we have learned about all the knowledge would be used during the demonstration. I have placed a password protected RAR file on my desktop. So in this video, I will show you how to crack the hash. So let's first extract the hash. Open terminal. But before moving ahead, we must understand how to extract the hash for different file types. Over here, the detailed usage of John the Ripper is provided for different file types. Unshadow command is used for extracting the hash of Kali Linux stored passwords. Similarly, zip to John is used for extracting the hash of zip-based file type. In our case, The file type is RAR. So we will use RAR to John for extracting the hash of our password. So now let's type RAR to John space location of password protected file. In my case, it's on desktop. Space greater sign space type the name and location where you want to store the hash. Now we have successfully extracted the hash of our protected file and it's on the desktop. Let's find out the hash algorithm. Open the hash file by double-clicking on the file. First of all, c.rar is the name of our protected file. After that, the actual hash of our password. It is an important step. If we are unable to understand our hash format, it would be difficult and slow process for cracking the hash. So let's copy the hash that after the name. Go to Google, type hash identifier. Open this website. Paste your hash text over here. Check this option and click submit. You can see that this online website has successfully identified the possible hash algorithm for us. Remember the hash algorithm. We will use it in our next step. So before that, we must finalize our word list. You can create your own customized word list based on the reconnaissance, or you can use the famous rockq.txt that comes with as a default tool with Kali Linux and John the Ripper. If you are solving an exercise like CTF, the rockq will work for you. But if your password is complex, it will not work for you. You will have to create or download GBs of famous word list from GitHub. I have the link in the description below. In our case, we will use rockq for demonstration purpose. In terminal, type cd space /user /share /word lists and press enter. Type ls and hit enter. You can see that by default the rockq is present over here, but let's first extract it to use it inside the John Ripper. Type sudo space gum zip followed by the name of file, that is rockq.txt.gz. Hit enter. Type ls again. Hit enter. You can see that rockq.txt is extracted successfully. Now it's ready to use in our next command. Let's type John space hyphen format =sign RAR5 space location of our hash file space hyphen word list =sign location and name of our word list and press enter. You can see that we have cracked the password successfully. We have successfully hacked the hash by following simple 4 steps. First, extract the hash. Second, identify a hash algo. Third, create, customize, or use famous word list. Fourth, use John the Ripper to crack the hash. Let me know in the comments if you have any question related to use of John the Ripper. I hope you have liked this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.